welcome back to my channel. So it is literally like 1:13. It is exactly 1:13 a.m. and I am just now starting to take down my hair. Why do I do this to myself? So let's just go ahead and get started with this takedown process. So these twists have been in my hair, like I said, for going on 3 weeks, and it's time. Like, as far as the twists, they actually look still pretty good, like actually really good. They're still really shiny. So all the details on these twists are already in the previous video, like I mentioned in the intro. So if you guys want to check that video out. So the main reason that I'm taking them out is because it's just time to wash my hair. Protective styles can only be protective if you do them properly. So I do need to go ahead and take these twists out my hair so that I can care for my hair. But I'm gonna do my best, especially with mini twists. You do not want to start washing your hair and then detangling your hair and all that, and you have a mini twist.
It has happened to me before, and I feel like it was just not central.
So I'm gonna do small sections, only probably about 10 twists. And what I like to do is first count the number of twists that is in each section I'm working on, so that I can just make sure that I literally got all the twists that I pulled down.
Number of the day rhymes with pen and pen. The number of the day is 10.
So that's the number, yes, yes.
So since it's so late at night, I definitely am not going to be shampooing and conditioning my hair and all that immediately after taking down my twist. So I'm not going to be taking my hair down with products that are going to make it extremely wet, just because I don't want to go to bed on a soaking wet head. So I'm actually going to be taking my twist down with the exact same products that I use to twist my hair, just because that's what I already have in my hair. My hair does still feel really good, and so I'm just not mixing a whole bunch of additional ingredients and products in my hair. That's going to make it harder for the shampoo process come tomorrow. So I'm going to be using the braid sheen spray just to wet and get my hair ready for manipulation. And I'm also going to be using the anti-breakage leave-in conditioner, and this is what I used before I blow dried my hair, but this also can be used, it says right on the front, as a daily treatment. And this okay, y'all, so I'm finished, and it is so crazy. It is so amazing how shiny those products make my hair. If you are somebody who doesn't mind using silicones in your hair for daily use, say you are a high porosity person or you're just somebody who doesn't mind silicones, I definitely would say give these a try even when you aren't protective styling. I'm doing a lot of protective styling for the month of November, so you guys will definitely see that product show up again in upcoming videos. It is 2:18 a.m. right now. So it took me exactly 1 hour to take down all my twists, and I took my time, but again, like I said, I haven't done any kind of detangling or anything. I did kind of like remove excess shed hair and any knotting as I went, but I just made sure that my hair was thoroughly saturated and coated with the daily treatment, aka leave-in conditioner, to give my hair a lot of slip and also to help break that gel cast. I say gel cast in quotes because it actually was edge control, but you guys know that's what I used to keep my hair tame, and it definitely kept my hair in place because even now when I was unraveling the twist, like you guys may be familiar when your hair is still kind of like twisted at the top, almost like it wanted to lock. The last thing that I'm gonna do tonight is just give my scalp a little bit of TLC, and I'm just gonna grease my scalp. You guys ask me all the time if I still grease my scalp, and I told y'all yes when it needs it, not an everyday daily thing, but especially right before I clarify. It sounds crazy, but right before or the night before I clarify, I always like to grease my scalp just so whatever I'm using the next day doesn't make my scalp really dry. And yeah, I'm just gonna obviously tie it up after it's sat for a few minutes. I'm gonna give it like 15-20 minutes to actually absorb in my hair so it doesn't absorb in my scarf. You guys know that's a tip that I've given you guys before. Actually let the oils and everything absorb into your hair before you go straight in with your hair scarf. And that's it.